Welcome back to Anavio. Let's look at a powerful new feature available within Anavio called People Search. With People Search, you can instantly track individuals across all your cameras. It's a powerful tool designed to save you time and speed up investigations. To get started, let's add some users to Anavio. Open the Quick Access menu, select Users, and click Add User. Fill in their details and send a selfie enrollment invitation. The user will receive a secure link. Once they click it, they simply take a selfie and be instantly added to the system. Next, head to the People tab in your menu. You'll find 3 sections. The Activity tab shows all people identified by your cameras. Unknown People displays individuals who haven't been enrolled yet. If you see a suspicious person, just click on it to see their entire journey. Known People lists everyone who has been enrolled. Let's say Kenny is one of your employees. Click on View Activity to see every time he's been identified by any of your cameras. You can also use Search by Photo. Just upload an image. If that person has ever been identified by a next camera, the system will instantly show you when and where they appeared across your facility. This is just a sneak peek. We're building even more advanced capabilities into People Search before its official release. Stay tuned for what's next.